Hey, I'm Vishwa. Today we took three trades in Nifty, and all of these trades were small trades. Since the Nifty was trading in kind of a passive trend, we had to resort for smaller profits in each of these trades. So let's go on and see how we took each of these trades using the live chart. So this is the first trade that we took, and here we bought a put option hoping that the price would come down. The reason that we look for selling opportunity is very simple. The price closed below the day low. And also the candle that broke down below the day low was very strong. So which indicates that the selling is better and the sellers are really doing a better job. But we didn't expect any strong downtrend from here because overall the price was just consolidating. And also if you see here, after the breakdown, the selling did not continue properly. You can see that the price is just beginning to consolidate. So even though we see some selling sentiment here, it's not really all selling from here. So we just made a short entry here just after this inverted hammer candle, and we hope that the price would reach up to 16,470 level. But however, from this candle here, we can see that the sellers are not really performing well because even though the price took out the swing points, we did not see any kind of selling momentum. So this tells us that the selling momentum is slowing up, and it's very good for us to book some small profits around this area. And for the second trade, we entered right on this bullish candle. And this bullish candle, as you can see, is very strong. And it also happens right after the failed selling pressure. So everybody who sold it here would be closing out their losing position in after this green candle. So once we saw this very strong green candle, we entered here. And also it's kind of like a morning star pattern here. So that adds another confirmation. And also the third thing that we saw here is that the price is doing all these things at this very strong psychological area, 16,500. So we entered right on this bull green candle and expected the price to reach up to 16,575 and 16,600 level. So let's see what happened in this trade. And here we had a profit of 20,000, but we didn't close the trade and waited for the price to hit our target. And we placed our target at 146 and we waited for the price to hit it. But it didn't happen and the price began to reverse. So this selling candle here tells us that the selling is getting pretty strong because even after this hammer candle, the buyers cannot take the prices up anymore. So that tells us that the sellers are strong. So we exited the trade for a small profit once again. So in this trade, we made a profit of around 2,900. And the reason that we took the selling here is that price has already taken resistance at this big bearish candle. And also, we don't see any kind of buying pressure here because even after this hammer candle, the price cannot go up and it constantly keeps coming down. So we entered a selling position at this point. And as we expected, this trade hit our target and made some 9,600 rupees in this third trade. So overall, today we had three trades and profits of 14,000 today. Tomorrow, we'll see you with another live trade. Thank you.